Happy birthday to you. Today is my brother's birthday. Ray, happy birthday. I am riding a 2018 BMW K1600GTL. I never knew how much I would love this bike. Oh, it went too fast. Been riding bikes for a few years. Well, this is really hard. It's hard to get my thoughts straight. I'm not much of a bragger. I'm kind of an introvert. But I just wanted to document my ride and a little bit of my life. Again, I know that I'm mumbling. I could be mumbling, I'm not sure. I'm trying to enunciate as best as I can. This channel, the goal for me is to share this with friends and family and hopefully make new friends. It feels like I'm riding on a couch. When I first got it, I was overwhelmed by the size and by the weight. Once you turn this on and it starts moving, it's like a rhino on tippy toes. It is so agile. Got the Harley tech going on too. What's up, bro? Yeah, my bike doesn't have the rumble. BMW don't rumble, they whine. I like the whine. Alright, so the goal is to find myself a nice little graffiti wall or a nice little mural. Place this east in front of it and take a picture.
So I was recording, and I had my helmet microphone on, and I'm not too sure if you heard anything because my helmet was there and I was talking through. So, Ray, I wish you a happy birthday. I want to read to you from 3 John chapter 1, verse 2. I pray that you may enjoy good health and that everything may go well for you. That's my prayer for you for today, tomorrow, and always. That you have good health and that all goes well for you. I hope you have cake. I hope you have ice cream. I hope you get gifts. Enjoy your birthday. They're fun. And now I'm gonna get out of here because I'm on the sidewalk and I don't want to get my butt in trouble. Again, happy birthday, bud. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ray. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
You're hiding behind Dad, Mom. You need to come out. You kiss
No, it's not a picture, it's a video. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Well, hold on. What happened to the energy? Is there energy? Where's the car?
Across the street.
All right. I'm still recording. Oh, we're crossing. Stop recording.